Welcome to Gramma's Remedies, timeless wellness tips inspired by generations of tradition. Today, we're bringing back a simple kitchen staple that Grandma always had on hand for quick digestive relief: baking soda solution. It may not be fancy, but this old-fashioned remedy has provided fast comfort from heartburn and indigestion for decades. If you're dealing with occasional acid reflux or an upset stomach and want a natural, fast-acting solution, this one's for you. Today's remedy, baking soda solution, a simple, no-fuss remedy to neutralize stomach acid and calm heartburn naturally. What you need: ½ teaspoon of baking soda and 1 cup of water. How to make it: just stir the baking soda into the cup of water until fully dissolved. Drink slowly for quick relief, preferably at the first signs of heartburn or indigestion. Why it works: baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a natural antacid. It helps neutralize excess stomach acid, which can bring fast relief from burning sensations in the chest or upper stomach. Grandma knew that sometimes the simplest remedies are the most effective, and this one proves it. Try this no-frills solution the next time heartburn sneaks up on you, and experience how quickly it can bring things back into balance. Don't forget to follow Grandma's Remedies so you'll always be the first to receive the next soothing wellness tip. This video is for educational purposes only. Always consult your healthcare provider before using natural remedies. Baking soda should be used only occasionally and avoided by those on sodium-restricted diets or those with certain medical conditions. Thanks for joining us at Grandma's Remedies. We look forward to seeing you next time with more timeless care from the heart.